안녕하세요. 저 노보준 신현이라고 합니다. So today I will do the Novogen introduction for everyone, and thank you so much for you taking time to attend this webinar for next generation sequence solution and also Novogen introduction. Now I will start my presentation for today. So the content including four parts. So the first part should be understanding of the next generation sequencing. The second part is about the introduction for Novogen. And third one is why customer choose Novogen. So the last one is like a case study, your sequencing project journey with Novogen. So let me give you some background of the NGS service, the technology background. So as we know, the genes are very fundamental units for heritage and play a very crucial role in the functioning and development of living organism. So they are often reformed as the blueprints or instructions that determine the trait and characteristics of an individual. So genes can carry all the information we needed for the synthesis for protein, which are the building blocks of cells and perform various functions with body. So the study of genetics has significantly contributed our understanding of health, disease, as an intricate mechanism that governs the life process. Now, so among the genetic studies, one technology is very essential for do the genetics research. So we call this next generation sequencing. So I will give you a very rough definition for next generation sequencing. We call it NGS technology, also known as high throughput sequencing. It's a powerful and revolutionary technology used in the field of genomics to sequence DNA and RNA at much very higher speed and lower cost compared to the traditional single sequencing method. So NGS has transformed the landscape of biology and biomedical research by enabling the analysis of entire genome, transcriptomes, and epigenomes in a comprehensive and efficient manner. So here I list some application for how can we use next generation sequencing technology for our study. It's like we can use it for understanding gene sequences, investigating gene functions, discovering disease mechanism, and developing the diagnostic products and medications. Also, by using NGS service, we can also provide the clinic treatment and preventing disease and managing health. To give a more detail for NGS service, here I summarize the key feature and the principles of NGS technology. So one very important method for sequence, we call it paranano sequencing. So NGS enables the simultaneous sequencing of multiple DNA fragments in parallel, allowing for very massive increase in sequencing throughout. The parallelization is achieved by using platform that can generate millions or even billions of the sequence reads in a single run. The third feature is about the high throughput. So NGS platform are capable of generating large amount of sequence data very quickly. Its high throughput is crucial for various of applications. For maybe many people know that it's very normal service for NGS is whole genome sequencing. It's like for human, plant, animal, or the targeted sequencing, RNA sequencing, or chip sequencing. Another one is we would like to introduce that the fragmentation and library preparation is very crucial process before we do sequencing. Before sequencing, DNA or RNA samples are typically fragmented into very short pieces. So after that, the adapter are then ligated to the fragments and create a library of sequences that can be sequenced in the parallel. Then we go to the next process for sequencing. So during the sequencing process, most the NGS platform use a method we call it sequencing by synthesis. So during this process, each fragment in library is sequenced by detecting the incorporation of the nucleotides into a growing DNA strand. fluorescent label nucleotides are ended, and then the emitted light signal are recorded to determine the sequence. So after we get all the sequencing raw data, then we can use the raw data to do the bioinformatics analysis, including the aggregate of sequences to a reference genome and variate calling identification of gene expression levels and annotation of functional element. So in a word, NGS has diverse applications, as we mentioned in the last slide, and including the whole genome sequencing, exome sequencing, transcriptome analysis, epigenetic studies, metagenomics, and more. It has significantly contributed to advancement of impersonalized medicine, cancer research, microbiology, and various of the field. So common the NGS platform include that people knows Illumina, Iron Torrent, and Pacific Bioscience. As technology continues to advance, NGS continues to play a crucial role in expanding our understanding of genomics and biology. So here is I gave some background of NGS survey, NGS technology. Then the second part is about Novogene. So Novogene is a leading provider of genomics service with a focus on next-generation sequencing NGS technologies. The company offered a comprehensive range of genomics solutions to researchers, institutions, and the industry involved in genomics and life science. So Novogene was founded in 2011 and is headquartered in Beijing, China. Over 13 years, it has expanded its operation globally with offices and facilities in various countries. So this slide shows Novogene's mission and vision. So our mission is advanced genomics improving life and strive to be a global leader in providing genomic service and solutions. And we are very professional and innovative to give more researchers help for the genomic studies. And headquartered in Beijing. So here is the slide for Novogene's global footprint. From the map, we can see that Novogene have 10 laboratories and 18 branches around the world. Our business is covered around 80 countries across the 6 continents. The headquarters, as I mentioned, is in Beijing, and the company has established laboratory in China, Tianjin, Guangzhou, Shanghai, also United Kingdom, United States, and Singapore, Japan, and also in Europe, Germany. Novogene has a large footprint worldwide with company branches in Hong Kong, China, Singapore, Japan, and the United States and United Kingdom, and the Netherlands. So we also have a lot of global customers. So Novogene has served over 6,005 global customers covering 80 countries and regions across the 6 continents. We have cooperated extensively with many academic institutions and complete several advanced level international genomics research projects. As the slide shows that, we can see that by December 2022, Novogene has co-published and be acknowledged in over 16,000 articles in SCI with an accumulative impact factor is over 1 million. So this slide, I would like to introduce our team, Novogene team, to everyone. So about Novogene team, we are quite global, and we have employees from 24 countries and over 90% local employees in overseas regions, and over 52% employees with advanced degree. So all the Novogene members is quite international, quite global, and will really be helpful for the specialized NGS technology service. So then goes to Novogene's core services. Our company covers 4 core business sectors, including research services, clinical diagnostic, and life science tools and laboratory automation. The research services sector is our most important core service sectors of company, including genome sequencing, transcriptome sequencing, and epigenome sequencing, and metagenomics, also the preliminary library sequencing. So here I also list the different surveys for genome, transcriptome, and microbiome, and epigenomics. So research surveys is Novogene's core, the most important and core service. To support our NGS service worldwide, we has established the 8 lab facility globally and cooperated with nearly 6,000 global experts, sequencing over 2 million samples every year in our lab worldwide. So we use the most efficient technology from the world leading suppliers, including Illumina NovaSeq 6000, Illumina NovaSeq X Plus, Oxford Nanopore, and the PacBio Review. Also, Review is the latest one, and also we have a lot of like Secret 2 system for supporting PacBio, the long-read sequencing service. So currently, China Tianjin Medical Laboratory has got the CAP certification. It means not only in academic research, still Novogene is a world-class facility enable us to provide high-quality clinical sequencing services globally. Okay, so one very, because there are lots of like genome provider also in Korea and also in overseas. So I would like to introduce Novogene's very different point for the sequencing from other sequencing provider. It's our intelligent production center for efficient and stable delivery. So Novogene Falcon series are the flexible and intelligent multiple product fully automatic delivery platform for NGS Falcon series, including the first generation Falcon 1 and also the second generation Falcon 2, will significantly improve the efficiency, reliability, and the quality of delivery for NGS project. These intelligent platforms represent a breakthrough in traditional NGS and help further define the NGS standard in industry, and also drive the health and orderly development of NGS ecosystem. So to give a more close understanding for Novogene Falcon system, I would like to share one video with everyone.
Novogene, the world leading edge service provider of high throughput sequencing, has launched the world's first fully automated intelligent platform, Falcon, in 2020. We pioneer new global standards in next generation sequencing. Based on image information integration technology, the automated product line of the Falcon system consists of 66 high-precision workstations, intelligently performs a series of customized operations according to customer requirements. The efficient data transmission and machine recognition assure the accurate control, real-time monitoring, and dynamic optimization of the workstations, and guarantee the round-the-clock intelligent production. Full processing, monitoring, and tracking of the Falcon system also significantly eliminate human errors and cross-contamination, making sure the data is accurate and reliable. Falcon is the first fully automated intelligent system for high-throughput next-generation sequencing in the industry. It dynamically configures the production processes regarding sample distribution and bioinformatics analysis. Through the integration of production processes, Falcon meet the requirements of parallel production and can process up to 2,850 samples each day. In the meantime, we endeavor to expand the service offerings for our customers. The dual quality control provides automatic screening and matching standards for the products. Data recognition and troubleshooting are also utilized simultaneously. Our automated intelligent system greatly promotes production efficiency, data quality, and operational stability that revolutionizes the sequencing industry. Starting from Novogene, we gain new insights into the connections between human beings and machines in the digital era. Intelligent, standardized, efficient. This is Falcon. Leading the present, decoding the future. Novogene.
Thank you so much. So this is a video for Novogene Falcon. And if you have more interest, you can just visit our homepage for Novogene and see more about Novogene Falcon. So this Falcon can help us to reduce the lab cost, also can really be faster and more accurate for our sequencing service. So the next part is about why customer choose Novogene. So I will give a very details for Novogene's advantages. So I put 5 key points here. So one is about our expertise in genome services. We are a comprehensive genome service provider, and we are genome services with high quality data. So Novogene places a very strong emphasis on quality control and assurance throughout its genomics workflow. So many researchers choose Novogene for the assurance of updating high quality and accurate genome data, so which is very crucial for reliable research outcomes. The second one is we would like to talk about the advanced technologies. As I showed in the last slide, our company Novogene is known for leveraging advanced genomics technologies, particularly like NGS platform. Staying up to date with the latest technologies allows Novogene can offer the customer the cutting-edge solution and stay at the front of the genomic research. And third one is, as we already in this field for 13 years and expanding a lot global size. So our global presence has with all of offices and facilities in various countries, including like in Asia, in United States, in Europe. So this global reach can be really advantages for researchers. The researchers who are looking for a partner with international capacity and also the collaborative opportunities. The collaborative efforts can be contribute to the advancement of genome research and also the development of the new applications. The most important is Novogene is always the customer focused, so we can offer customized solutions to meet the unique requirements of individual research project. This flexibility can be very attractive to researchers with specific study, design, and specialized genome analysis need. So if the customer, we are not just a sequencing provider. We actually do lots of consulting for all the researchers. If they have some research objectives or any research interest, then Novogene still can do the before sales consulting part. Okay. And here is one very strong point of Novogene is our standardized and world-class laboratories around the world. We have the science and technology service laboratories and got the standardized certificate, also medical testing laboratories, and also medical device production centers. The last one is, if we talk about sequencing provider, so Novogene is a world-class data center for fast, accurate, and secure data delivery. So here is all the why Novogene part. So if you are very interested, maybe you are the first time to do the NGS service, if you choose Novogene, so we can start your journey, the sequencing journey with Novogene. I will give you the details of our workflow and how can we do the sequencing service to our customer. So here is your sequencing project with Novogene. We can see that, as I mentioned in the last slide, we talk about that Novogene not only provides a sequencing service, we also do consultation with our Novogene specialist team. So in Korea, our distributor is PhilKorea. So you can just send the inquiry to PhilKorea, and PhilKorea and Novogene will do the consulting for your project, like sample requirement, like how can we give you data, the turnaround time, and the analysis you want, also the cost. The second one is you submit your sample information on our customer service system. So we call it CSA system. Every customer using Novogene service will got one account to use our customer service system. At that time, you can use the CSA system to track every step of your project. Then you can send the prepare your RNA and DNA samples and Philcorea will pick up your samples. At that time, we'll send to our Singapore lab. And once we receive the samples, we will do sample QC. And you can see the 4 part. The 4 is receive project updates. We do the sample QC firstly, then goes to library preparation. And after library preparation, we will do the sequencing. And after sequencing, if you just need the raw data, so we will deliver the raw data to customer. Once you need any bioinformatics analysis, then we'll proceed bioinformatics analysis. So about this part, all the step, all the update, you can check it and you can track it on our customer service system. And then you check and confirm the project for the final report and statement and got the data. Once you got the data, you still can use our software called Novogene's to reanalyze or visualize and interpret your data. So about Novogene's, I would like to give more details. The second one is we would like to talk about the Novogene's. How can we use Novogene's? So Novogene's is an after-sales analysis is actually a cloud platform independently developed by Novogene. So for CSS users, for Novogene's customer, so Novogene's can help you reanalyze and customize your sequencing data. So can support you to select if you want to change the group for comparison of gene analysis, gene expression, or identify any differential expressed gene, then you use Novogene's, can do your figure and also can do your report. So I gave a screenshot here. You just click Start Analysis to enter an analysis function. It's very easy to operate. So who can use Novogene's? So all the customers using Novogene sequencing service can use Novogene's. But until now, for Novogene's reanalysis part, we just for our human mRNA-seq or plant animal mRNA-seq. So for the future, we can use Novogene's to more analysis on different applications. So analysis content from our Novogene's is analysis. You can see that enable the selection of gene group as an analysis of gene expression, and we have 70 tools to support your analysis. And you can use these 17 tools to do your customized analysis part. So the next one, I would like to share some the real case from our customer used the Novogene service in 2023 last year. So 2023, last year, the number of NGS project publication is 5,122 articles published by using Novogene sequencing project. And also the accumulative impact factor is over 40K for the impact factor. So the case 1 is about the article published the journal is Science. So for this one, the Novogene offers single-cell transcriptome sequencing and also transcriptome sequencing. So single-cell transcriptome sequencing now is a trend, both not only in Korea, also worldwide. And Novogene using the 10x genomic single-cell transcriptome to serve the service. And in this study, by using the 10x transcriptome sequencing and also the mRNA sequencing, and the customer got the data and established a cellular atteners of deer atteners regeneration development. So from the research result, it described the cellular molecular mechanism of deer atteners regeneration and rapid growth. So furthermore, a population of regenerated progenitor cells is recorded from this study. It called ABPCs with ability for the self-renewal, and also we can see the osteogenic chorogenic differentiation. differentiation, and the bone tissue repair was identified by using our NGS service. So this is one case study for last year, and another one also I can show you is another article, another paper is published on Nature, and also for this study, Novogene supports the NGS service part for transcriptome sequencing and also chip sequencing. So this study transformed a protein involved in promoting cancer, the BCL6, which is typically inhibits the transcription of various genes into the transcriptional activators as a part of new compound. So this discovery opens up a new strategy for design novel anti-cancer drugs and also the pathway for innovative approaches in cancer treatment by generating a new class of compounds to kill the cancer cells. So these two, here is just this two, and if you visit Novogene website, you can get more information about the publication, and you can find quite similar way how they do the using the NGS service to support their study. So here is a very brief introduction for Novogene service for NGS technology introduction and also the project journey with Novogene. Thank you so much, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.